I got something in the mail today, and it was super fast shipping. I've been wanting to try these for a long time, and I done opened them, looked at them. They look great. I couldn't help it, but I'm gonna show you right here. There you go. Some planer boards. B-Cat boards. I ordered these Saturday. Kim of B-Cat designed these on Saturday for me, and I appreciate it. Super fast, super great people. And we'll take the plastic off and see what it looks like. God. Ain't that cool? They'll put your name on it, whatever you want to on them. I wanted something to suspend my big baits and big sinkers. This is what I got. Like I said, this is Monday. I ordered these Saturday. I don't know where they're located. Comes with instructions how to put them together. Look fairly simple. Comes with your hardware, your clips. I'm gonna put them together right here. I've never fooled these before in my life. We're gonna try to put one together here. You got a plastic washer, then a metal washer, then another. You sandwich them in between. What looks like to me. I'm gonna you put the little plastic washer, then you put the metal one. Nope. Nope. I'm wrong. You put the plastic one, then the metal one, then the metal one, and then the plastic one. Then you take this and tighten it up. Then you take these rings, and put right here. This is an adjustable clip. You put your line in here. Some of them's got pinched away. You can pinch them. This here is like adjustable and you can set it. Then you got these clips here, snap clips. I'm assuming you'd want it up here. I got a pair of pliers here. Pull these together. Push this down. There. And this ring goes right on the end. And there it is. And it should, this should be my right side, I'm assuming. Now do the same thing on this one. hopefully we can catch some blues on them. I love suspend drifting. And when I go back to Tennessee, Watts Bar, I'll definitely be using these. They're like a foam. They're not like the pool noodle. I think it's called EVA. They're going to hold some weight up. But I hope you enjoyed this little sort of like an unboxing. Stay tuned, and hopefully by the end of the week I'll have some fish videos depending on the spawn here. So we'll find out. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.